Okay, I'm going to show you today how to log into the WordPress website for St. Anthony's and how to upload media files into the media folder. First thing you want to do is you want to enter the site. So you can go over here and type in admin. So it's www.stanthonyshs.org wp-admin. You enter your credentials here and you click login. And login. Okay, here you're going to see the dashboard. If you see your dashboard to the left side with the icons here, you can stretch it out by going here. Let's go like this a second. And just making this a little bit wider. There you go, so we can see. All right, there it is. All right, so now you see your options over here. What you want to click is New Media. When you click New Media, you see a folder here. Simply click Select Files. Find the images you want to upload. Click Open. And depending on the size of the pictures, you're going to have to wait to see how long. You might have to wait a little bit to make sure that all the pictures upload correctly, but this should be it. And all you have to do is wait for it to finish. Once you see the last one go to 100%, then you're done. And that's how you do it. All right. Always remember that to log off when you're done with the uploading. On the left. Okay, so now the files have uploaded, and what you want to do again, let's stretch this out, is click the media library to see where your files are. And there are the files, 1, 2, and 3. And that's how you do that.